In Arabic cultures, politeness and hospitality are highly valued. Even if your Arabic isn't perfect, locals will deeply appreciate your effort to speak their language. A smile and a simple shukran can open doors to unforgettable experiences. Welcome again, this is HosnyEbrahim and you're watching Arabic Lang Club. Are you planning to explore the beauty of Egypt, Morocco, or any Arab country? Learning just a few Arabic phrases can turn your trip into an unforgettable experience. In this video, I'll teach you the top 10 must-know Arabic phrases for travelers. Trust me, locals will appreciate your effort and you'll feel much more confident during your journey. Hello or hi. Assalamu alaikum. Assalamu alaikum or marhaban. Marhaban. Assalamu alaikum is a formal and common greeting in Arab countries, meaning peace or peace be upon you. Use marhaban for casual hi. You can greet shopkeepers, hotel staff, or anyone you meet. Thank you. Shukran. Shukran. A simple way to show gratitude. The polite response is afwan. Afwan means you're welcome or like you're welcome. You can say that after receiving food, help, or directions. Shukran. How much does this cost? Become. Just become. بكم هذا? بكم هذا? How much is this? This is very essential for shopping in markets or stores. You can use it when buying anything or snacks, food, or shopping generally. Where is the bathroom? أين الحمام? أين الحمام? أين الحمام? Knowing this phrase is always handy. You can ask أين الحمام in public places like malls or restaurants. أين الحمام? I don't understand. لا أفهم. لا أفهم. You can use this phrase to signal you're not fluent or you don't understand. And you can combine this phrase with hand gestures if needed. لا أفهم. Can you help me? هل يمكنك مساعدتي? هل يمكنك مساعدتي? This is a polite way to request help. You can use this if you're lost or need directions. هل يمكنك مساعدتي? I need a taxi. أحتاج إلى تاكسي. أحتاج إلى تاكسي. أحتاج إلى taxi. You can use this phrase in cities with taxis. You can use it at airports or hotels or any place you need a taxi. أحتاج إلى taxi. I'm looking for. أبحث عن. أبحث عن. أبحث عن. And you can replace it with the thing you're looking for or searching for. For example, أبحث عن مطعم. مطعم, a restaurant. Or أبحث عن فندق. فندق, hotel. You can ask locals for a recommendation. For example, أبحث عن مطعم. Delicious. لذيذ. 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 This is a compliment to compliment food or drinks. Use this to praise meals in restaurants. Goodbye. مع السلامة. مع السلامة. مع السلامة. This is a friendly way to say goodbye. You can use it when leaving a shop or saying farewell to a guide. In Arabic cultures, politeness and hospitality are highly valued. Even if your Arabic isn't perfect, locals will deeply appreciate your effort to speak their language. A smile and a simple shukran can open doors to unforgettable experiences. Now it's your turn. Which phrase do you think you'll use it the most on your trip? Let me know in the comments below. And if you found this helpful and useful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more Arabic learning tips. Safe travels, or as we say in Arabic, رحلة سعيدة. مع السلامة.